We literally, I'm breathing so hard. I loaded this whole thing. Look at all this. My whole back seat's full. My whole trunk is full. And I have one right there. Okay, I just got back from Tractor Supply. They had an amazing deal on their feed. Let me get up here. On the horse feed. A lot of Nutrina. We have some of this all stage gastric support. Literally 3 pallets worth that I did get for horses. A great deal from Tractor Supply. I had a bag that ripped open. So this is the one that's, I think it's like Timothy hay. So let's go on this side. I had to get a truck just to get this all in here. This is the sandally. And this is all that I have to unload. And this is a 15-foot truck. So this is considered 3 pallets. You got a pallet there, and the third pallet I had to put it up on the top. Yep, so if you're looking for good horse pellet feed, chickens, ducks, and all that, I would definitely say go to Tractor Supply.